Started nung mga bandang parang before pandemic yata because I was gonna have grandchildren. So before my granddaughter was born, I conceptualized it. And then that was like 2020, 2020. Tapos pandemic, and then it was a good time kasi the children here, there's a lot of children here. Hindi sila makalabas. Eh dito, at least dito, open space naman to provide them entertainment. Sabi ko, let's do something like this. So parang natuwa lang ako because I'm like, no, I'm a child at heart. So I have a feeling na masayang masaya. It gives me happiness. We spend a lot of money but you cannot buy happiness, di ba?
Hindi pa sila lumalabas ng bansa, Pilipinas. Kaya excited sila sa snow talaga, mga bata. Pag nakikita ko ang apo ko masaya, siyempre masaya rin po ako.